What up, Block fam? Welcome to today's episode where we have a stack of goodies that have just arrived from Northern Tool. We're gonna basically unbox all these, show you guys what they are. A lot of them are really great gifts if you guys are thinking about buying something for your friends or loved ones or family, you know, that ride motorcycles. That's the purpose of this episode, to show you guys, give you kind of a gift guide. And then at the very end of this episode, we have a pretty big surprise. So stick around to the end. Ooh. Let's go ahead, roll the intro, get into it. I do have a very big surprise.
Stay tuned.
That neither one of you guys know about.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Sure. Better stay watching this.
Wow, aggressive over there. Aggressive. It's just a camera, man. It's just a camera.
It's not a camera.
It's just people.
It's hundreds of thousands of people.
Down. They're just people.
In the palm of my hand.
Whoa, hey, you know what I say? You know what I say?
Editing.
I gotta do some blurring.
Welcome to the episode, guys, to Northern Tool. I apologize for the spray painted makeshift logo there, but here's their actual logo on the screen. Looks much gooder than, you know, my spray painted version.
I think that's dope, man. That's like art. I didn't even look till now. And I'm glad I didn't look so
you know, graffiti style. Yeah. Zuko, do you appreciate it?
I wouldn't say that.
Zuko appreciates it. All right, guys, so like I said, this is kind of a gift guide, if you will, stuff that you can get from Northern Tool. Almost about a year ago, we went to Sons of Speed, which was put on by Billy Lane. It was vintage motorcycle racing, amazing event. So Billy Lane works with Northern Tool. I ended up meeting the Northern Tool people there. Met Billy Lane also, which we're gonna be doing some incoming work with him. Met the guys from Northern Tool there. So they ended up reaching out. They've reached out with a couple opportunities, which greatly appreciated. Thank you guys. But they reached out recently and they were like, hey, we've got a bunch of stuff that we'd possibly be interested in sending over. Are you guys interested in any of this? They probably sent us like 30 things to choose from. And I was like, you know what? Let's do an episode, kind of a gift guide. If you guys are out there, like I said, you've got friends or loved ones, family members, whatever, that ride motorcycles, and you're looking to possibly get them a gift, this is kind of like some introductory stuff, some a little bit more advanced stuff as well that you could get them that would make a great gift this holiday season. It's incredibly useful. And so we're basically ranging from stuff that's, you know, cheaper, from tools, to stuff that's a little bit more expensive, like tool carts. Justin and I are going to go ahead and unbox all this. Now you're asking yourself, why is it stacked like this? Simple and easy answer is, I'm a child. So I wanted to see how high I could stack them safely. There was some strategy to it. In the very bottom is the heaviest, and then we just kind of boop, 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 boop.
Northern Tool sent stuff! Yeah!
Big energy today.
So you're like an eel popping out of your hole and then you go back in. Go ahead and start with the top box here. So Justin, you want to go ahead and get that down?
Help him. Whoa! Wow. Help. Let's go.
All right, this is a metal rack with bins. I've got a couple of them at my home garage. Would love to have them here. So it's awesome for those little like odds and ends, bolts, nuts. If you want to basically like, excuse me, Zuko, organize them and put them in different bins and stuff. Super useful. So there you go, guys. It comes with this back panel there, holes in them so that you can mount it to the wall with these. So Chris will have to find a spot on the wall to mount it up. Got the larger yellow bins in the bottom, medium blue bins in the middle, and the smaller red bins on the top. What's cool about these versus these ones that I have at home is that they're actually, there's like a little cutout in the front, so easy to get to, but that should help out with the storage. So there you go, already helping out. Next up, self-locking motorcycle wheel chock. We use them all the time here. I mean, we've pretty much got wheel chocks on the front of every single lift in the shop here. So what a wheel chock does is basically wheel goes in between it and it holds the wheel in the middle. With this one, this is going to be awesome to be able to put into trailers. So we've got a trailer outside. I've got two wheel chocks that are very similar to this mounted inside. Yeah, it's pretty much ready to install. So got some mounting hardware here, so that'll basically bolt down into whatever surface you're bolting it down into. We do have some instructions. So I had one like this for the back of my truck for a little bit. And what I did is I actually mounted it to a sheet of plywood so that I didn't have to like, you know, drill through my truck bed. I would just throw the whole piece of plywood back there and I cut it perfectly for the width of the truck. That way, whenever I would roll it into place, it would stay, it wouldn't move, and just, it helps out an absolute ton if you're moving bikes. I don't know what this just turned into, but. Which of your box that you want to do your special kung fu pull out the heart? Damn, that was fancy.
156-piece home repair tool set.
Dyslexia kicked in.
165. Yeah.
Reading it upside down.
That one.
So,
And I believe there's one more.
is there?
I believe so.
Get it.
And then
Magical.
mechanic's roller seat.
Nice. We got a couple of those around here. 1, 2. Yeah, those are incredibly useful in a garage. Working on a bike or something. You don't want to be squatting over, and you're at this level, so you're able to work on the bike a little more. Tuco, what is your deal right now?
Everywhere right now.
Right? Jeez, he's just so excited. Are you happy about that seat? You are. Get that seat. It's like, this is my tool chest too.
I'm good on this one.
Great. Get it, camera guy.
You get to work.
Hell yeah.
Justin's working. Oh, he's reading the instructions.
We gotta look at the parts diagram. Can't we?
Oh, we need that. That's all we need right there.
I see that.
You here for the stuff?
I am.
Yeah.
Hold on. All right. Coast is clear. What?
We got the goods.
Go.
Wow, that's kind of nice that they've...
It's a little beater.
Little 7 ounce.
It's a little beater.
Right,
Yeah.
let's go.
If you need to hit someone in the kneecap or something, that's perfect.
Yeah, that's what it's used for.
I probably shouldn't say that. We don't hit people with hammers around here. It's a joke.
No, we hit them with bullets. Like it says on the top, a home repair tool set, but there are going to be tools in here that you can use to work on your bike. If you guys go to Northern Tool, there's also going to be like mechanics tool sets as well that you can choose from. This is just one of the options that they gave us, but what's funny about this is whenever I first started working on motorcycles, I bought a kit almost exactly like this from Walmart. So you can go to Northern Tool, they're like very affordable. So you got Allens in here, you got screwdrivers, you got some wrenches. Hammer, I don't think you're gonna use that so much like a carpenter's hammer on a motorcycle. You might. I've used some pretty stupid shit on a motorcycle, especially when I first started working on them.
I'm gonna say if you're using the hammer, it's probably done. Whatever it is, it's
like,
done.
We call that the persuader.
You might be done, that part might be done, yeah.
So this is a pretty cool, you know, it's like the screwdriver, but then you're gonna take these bits, like a T40, throw it in there, and boom, there you go, you've got a T40.
He could use that right now.
It's true. Justin, what size Allen you need, bro?
Dude, shout out Northern
don't
Tool.
wanna
They
use
give you
the
the
one
tool in it, because knowing me, I got no tools. Finally got one for my
You don't want to use
collection.
the one in here? Yeah, so
Yeah,
it's
it's
going to be a
metric.
3/16. So boom, throw it in
Which
there.
is-
Sockets. So these are going to be incredibly useful. You got, you know, the actual ratchet. Just to give y'all perspective, so I mean, this is going to be more than adequate for being able to like your first toolkit to be able to like work on some stuff. Like I said, it's what I started with, and we're standing in the middle of Blockhead garage right now, so I think it worked out. Now, Chris. This is a snap-on breakneck ratchet and sounds much different. However, just this is the cost of all of this.
Costs more.
Exactly. You can buy just this, or you can buy all of everything that
Probably
big
the
tower
whole,
of boxes.
yeah.
So
Look, we're a working
Standard.
shop. Justin's answering the phone.
Love when the phone rings. BlockheadGarage.com.
So for sockets, it does come with standard and metric. So there you go, both sides. So pretty well-rounded home repair tool set. If you guys are looking for something more on the mechanics tool set, that also is available. Just be sure to check out the links in the description below.
Yeah, it's been. Ooh.
Trust it. That's it.
I do.
Sit in that
Just review.
bad
I mean, it's
chicken.
pretty smooth.
Hey, legs up.
Into the fan, like
Him
very
falling.
solid chair. Highly recommend.
All right, so here we have a 1,500-pound hydraulic motorcycle jack.
This is useful too if you don't have a home.
The rent's going up, man, so we might have to save this box.
What you got there?
Put that on my lowrider car.
Cue the music. Is that what it is?
All right. Wear gloves if you want to assemble it. I mean, you don't have to, but there's grease all over. And
see it already.
I do need you to assemble the cell. I'm going to unpackage the next one if that's cool. And across the shop on this also.
We're
lift the
gonna
bike.
lift him up as high as we can lift him.
Sick, dude.
Check it out, bro. You can actually sit while assembling it.
And use the toolkit.
Like I said, we're gonna save these.
All right, and here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have... Didn't even need to cut that one. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here we have a Iron Ton 30-inch 4-drawer tool cart.
Remember, it's more roofing material for Justin.
That's right.
Dude, the square footage on that, priceless.
Rent do be going up.
There they is.
This tool cart's gonna take a little bit, but if you guys end up getting one and you want to know how to assemble it, the instructions come with it, and they're right there. So we're just gonna go ahead and set it up real quick and do a little one of these. And there is the Iron Ton tool cart. Now, cool thing about this one versus a couple others on the market is it actually comes with 4 swivel casters. So a lot of the times companies will come out with them and they'll be like 2 locked, 2 swivel. So this one has 4 swivel, which allows you to do stuff like that. So you've got storage on the top. We didn't put the handle on it. That'll be optional, but you do have extra hardware to put the handle on the left or the right side. You've got storage here for ratchets, screwdrivers, all that stuff. This does lock open, so you have to basically like push it back, pull these down. It is also locking, and then to lock the drawers, if you lock this with the keys right here, it will completely lock the drawers as well. Bottom drawer, which is going to be deepest, second up, and then 2 on the top. Also storage at the bottom. There we go. Hooray! And Justin James got the lift all together. We're just gonna go ahead and try it out on this $60,000 Harley-Davidson.
No.
We're gonna try it out on Justin James. Can you hold the camera for me?
Whoa.
Whoa, dude.
And then you can just, like push him around and stuff.
That's so exciting.
Testing my balance.
I got you, bro. So the hydraulic does hold it up while you have it basically like the lever to the right. If you raise it up enough, you have this down, they will lock into place. So you basically let it down, goes down, locks into place there. So if Justin were to step on it now, so lock into place there. If you were to step off and we were to basically close the hydraulic, lift it up a little bit, throw that back, and then lower that back down, it goes down. We should probably demonstrate this on a motorcycle for you guys, right? Yay! Obviously, if you're lifting a bike with it, make sure you find the center of balance. And if you're looking to work on it like this, it's a lot easier to work on. Make sure that it locks into place, and then you can also move it around very carefully. So we're gonna have Chris on this side, so if I wanted to move it in the garage or something, you can now move your bike sideways. Crazy. Let it back down. Make sure your kickstand is down. You're gonna open the hydraulic back up. Always make sure your kickstand's down, guys. Slowly let it down. Bada bing, bada boom.
It's really awesome if you have someone to help you like myself and them, but if you don't,
it can be done with one person. I've done it many times, but just be careful. All right, so we've got the motorcycle jack, we've got the tool cart, we've got the rolly chair, we've got the wheel chock, we've got the tools, we've got the organizers. Northern Tool is also going to send a winch for a trailer, which works with the wheel chock. So winch, 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 winch. W-I-N-C-H. Cool. Not a wench like a
no, that would be a
old-timey colonial woman.
Old woman.
Justin, can you do me a favor and grab the rolly chair and the chalk and the tools? Can you grab the tools and find a spot for them in here?
What do you mean?
So we can basically show people how you can store those tools in the tool cart.
What the hell?
You're the guy. Hey, Justin, do this. Justin, do that.
I know, build this thing.
Hey,
Hold
Justin.
up. No.
Step, let's go.
Justin, you know why I made you do all those things?
Why?
Because the surprise at the end is we're giving it all to you. It's all yours.
What the heck?
Yeah.
You're lying.
No, I swear to God.
Oh,
This is yours, the tools are yours, that's
What the
yours, the
hell?
chair is yours.
Dude.
I know you've been wanting one for a while.
I
like,
know, we were talking about...
We have legit talked about getting him a tool cart for a while.
Hey,
We've looked at
let's
ones
go.
at other companies. So whenever Northern Tool reached out and was like, hey, you guys want any of this stuff? I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna get a bunch of stuff for Justin. You've got a motorcycle, you've got a tool chest and a tool cart, you've got a lift. Like, this will make your job easier at home, right? In the home garage?
In the chair, because I'm always sitting on either Chris's or yours.
Yeah.
And then I'm always left out of a chair.
Yeah. So I've got a tool cart all set up right there, some extra ones over there. Chris has got his set up here, and then like a huge one there. Chris being a 27-year master level Harley technician, me being a 7-year professional off. Justin, editor, shop service manager guy. Yeah, whenever we end up working on stuff, he's always like borrowing tools and whatnot. So I figured this would be a good start for him. So
Yeah,
big thanks to Northern Tool.
Big shout out Northern Tool.
Greatly appreciate you guys sending this stuff over. To Justin, Merry Christmas.
Keys.
You got a bunch of cool shit.
And what a test. I almost didn't even get past building this. Chris had to help me a little bit. I ended up on my phone. I was like, man, I'm over this.
Yeah, so Justin ended up on his phone once he needed a socket that we didn't have in the kit. So I literally took like a piece of metal, the metal leg from here, and I pointed at it, and I pointed at my tool cart, telling him to go get the socket. I was kind of cracking the whip a little bit, but very like, you know, gentle pushes. But made you do it also that, congratulations, we could give it to you at the end.
Earned it.
Hooray! Congrats, Justin. You guys drop a congrats for Justin down in the comments below. If you guys have any questions on any of the stuff that we got here from Northern Tool, check out the links all in the description below. It'll give you all the specs and details, prices, all that good stuff. Would you say that they're good gifts to purchase for like...
Dude, hell yeah, dude. I mean, if everyone's like me, where like I work out of my personal garage, I'm not like these guys, professional. This is like the best for the typical average guy.
Oh yeah.
Like myself.
Whenever I first started, I got a worse tool chest than this that you couldn't move around, and that what that causes you to do is go from your bike back to the tool chest, back to your bike, back to the tool chest. So I learned about a rolling one that you could take with you, working with Chris here. Anyways, big thanks once again to Northern Tool. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. They've got plenty of other stuff on their website that's great for gifts. Appreciate you guys watching. If you did enjoy the episode, do me a favor, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit the bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Until next time.
Yo, blockheadgarage.com, fill out the form. I'll put you in touch with me, book service. I got tools here now, so I might work on your bike. Just kidding.
He's not working on your bike.
I can barely work on the freaking thing. There was only 2 bolts to put that together, and I couldn't get it
The
together.
person that works on bikes here for customers is Chris, and he's a 27-year master tech, like I said. So, yeah. Until next time.
Ride safe, stay vigilant, stay veggies.
Eat your veggies. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.